Yo, what's up, boys? It's Luca Trades here. Hold on, I gotta turn my mic up a little bit because the last video I was like whispering. This is okay. This is probably fine, but I don't even know why I have this on. But yeah, so this is not gonna be the trade recap. This is gonna be the live trade. I'm potentially watching a setup right now. Um, I missed first entry and possibly second entry. But basically, what I'm looking at, hold on, is this market maker sell model, right? So we go on the 15 or the 30, right? We have these overlapping, right? We have this inverse fair value gap, and we have this normal fair value gap. I want to see if the inverse is like, okay, yeah, we tapped consequent encroachment of the inverse, right? And we have an original consolidation down here on the lower time frame right here with added sell side because there's equal lows. So I'm thinking this could be a sell model and a hard one to catch also, right? Because a lot of people could get tripped up. We do have this breaker here. Which yeah, so yeah, that would be the breaker. And we have an SMT from here to here. So if you look at ES, that one goes down. And honestly, ES is looking like the better indice for this trade. But also it's almost at terminus already, right? Because this is the original consolidation for ES. It didn't go up that high. And also this doesn't even look like really a model. Um, so I'm gonna look to sell here above this wick probably. Or possibly, well, yeah, actually. We'll take one contract here um, at the breaker. Also, right here is the fair value gap that the breaker respected. So I would take another contract in there. But I'm thinking this is gonna be kind of a choppy setup, so I'm gonna probably have a larger stop. Right, and also this is paper trading, right? So I would probably be in micros if I was actually trading like normally. But yeah, I'm not going to it's probably not the best idea for me to take a large target right here, especially because NQ was the stronger for the SMT. But I will try and target probably below this low because there's going to be more stops there. So this is, I think, a perfect 2 risk to reward, if I'm not mistaken. Because, yep, we're back into this order block. Now this is where I want us to respect it, right? Because this isn't an order block. Ideally, we respect this, and then we invert this fair value gap. But maybe our stop gets hit too. All right, and I'll be fully transparent. Right, I'm only taking this trade because it's paper. Obviously, I want to be right, but I'm really just like this is a hard setup to see So if I'm right about where it wants to go, then that would be pretty huge. So we're slowing down at this for order block. So I want to see us make this candle like a swing high or this candle a swing high, but it's getting close to the stop. We might have to take the L. We'll see. There it is. So we're clearly disrespecting this. This could maybe even be a buy setup too under this lunch liquidity, which I had previously marked out, but then I saw that we hit a higher time frame PD array, and you know, hold on. I think the setup might still be there. Yeah, the candle's still respecting it, the body. You guys see that? I'm getting back in these. I just don't want us to close above. I'm gonna make the stop like up here, so I have like room to see if we close above this order block. Still, I like this order block also because the candle shot down and then came back up to close the fair value gap, so that it wouldn't have to retrace after breaking this liquidity, even though it should. But price is so slow. If we can invert one of these, preferably this fair value gap, that would be a good tell. Price just looks super like bullish. It's really like consolidating in this order block. It means it's either gonna shoot up or shoot down. Definitely gonna shoot up. Yeah, this one's gonna hit stop too. I'm tempted actually really to post this just to show like transparency. Right, normally I wouldn't post something like this because today would probably be a better day to not take any trades, right? I already took a loss in the AM. I was wrong about sells there. Um, and it's happens to the best of us, right? Even ICT himself has losing days, but we're definitely gonna go further into analysis after we see how the rest of the day plays out. But I'm not really going to. I'm not really gonna like harp on myself that much over this, right? Like price is coming down. Maybe we still invert one of these and then use it as resistance, but yeah, I mean, and also judging by the strength of this down move, I'll be able to tell a lot too. So let's just see what happens. So far, we're still respecting this order block, and we just consolidated a bunch up here. So see if it's gonna fuel a move down. And probably delete those. Okay. Oh my god, bro, the hiccups. Alright, let's see if we can invert this. Move our stop. I guess I should keep the regular stop up there, but. Alright, come on. Come on. Right, I mean, technically this is still the sell model. Just don't it's just super choppy. Also, my stop now is if we close above this fair value gap, so this looks like what it's about to do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's gonna drag me along the ride for another candle. I don't know why I have this blue box. Because I have this like OB thing. No, I walk with the racks on me. Yeah, it's just perfectly respecting this fair value gap. I think we're probably gonna have to sell this one here. 20 seconds to wait if we and there's like a mini SMT with ES too. That's crazy. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna sell that one there. At least I didn't wait for it to get up here, but yeah, this is just gonna be a transparency video, I guess, of losses, right? Something that happens, and like I said earlier in the video, I'm mostly trading this because the setup is hard to see if it's there, which I guess it might not have been there for this setup, but taking it would show that I can see it, right, when it's hard to see. And yeah, man, this is what it looks like, right? Not every trader is gonna win it like every time. Actually, no trader is. So I hope you guys learned something from this video on maybe how to deal with losses. But Obviously I didn't use right leverage. I told you guys I would use micros on like a real account, but I mean, yeah. See this chop, these days are the ones you don't want to trade, right? This is just giving information for the next days. And also, it was a short week. Yesterday was like only AM, I think, for futures. And um, we did break, like, yeah, we did break one of the previous highs. Yeah, we broke this one, which there wasn't really a setup for, except for like maybe this was an OTE. Um, which is the move that I said that I wanted to see Monday, which did happen, but I didn't trade it because it's a short day. So the action's probably not going to be the best. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.